Okay, so where are all the monkeys?
My best friend!
Holding your hand. Free accommodation. Free accommodation. Free food. Free food. Oh, look at that. And look at the people everywhere, hey? Packed. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4 people in the swimming pool. Well, after a big day of walking around Bali, there's a couple of essential things you must do. One of them, of course, is to have a few beers. So another nice little Balinese restaurant here. Some outdoor dining. This one's quite nice. We got nice lilies here. The lilies. And we've got the Bebek Johnny. It's called. We've got the little ceremonial gateway there. More lilies. Nice heart chair thing over there. Very nice little restaurant. Maybe a bit of rain up there. Some little huts. Some little Balinese huts you can sit in as well. Very cool. And of course I'm going to have satay. Well, the monkey forest, the monkey forest. We'll start with a couple of monkeys over there. Hello, monkeys. Or the biggest one here.
The ape, the gorilla.
The gorilla. Okay, so where are all the monkeys? Can't see any yet. Oh, there's some up here because there's a heap of people up here.
Outside.
Heap of people, so there's got to be some. Are they? Oh yeah, there we go. There's a monkey. There we go, a couple of monkeys. Look at little Mr. Monkey. Hello, mate.
No, this is named the Toby. This name is
Bobby. Bobby.
Yeah, this is Toby.
Bobby.
Yeah.
Now be careful this one, yeah?
Toby.
Bobby.
You have to ban the monkey bit.
Ben.
Oh, clap, clap.
Ben. Ben. Lagi.
Clap, clap.
How to get it off?
That's pretty cool. Oh. Showing off.
Привет. Бела такая. Привет, привет, мои пупсики. Так близко.
Hello. Hello, mate. Look at you. You're a star. Mr. Monkey. He got a bit frightened. Sorry, buddy. He's going to attack me. Hello, Mr. Monkey. Hey, buddy. Yeah, oh, monkeys there. Eating potatoes. Eating potatoes, are you? Yeah? Eating the spuds there, bud. She's a nice little old rainforest in here. That is for sure. She's a gem. Imagine this in the middle of the wet season. It'd be so hot in here, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Humid.
Humid. Oh, sorry. 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 I don't know what, the camera being stuck in their face.
Wir brauchen halt in der Hand was zu essen, aber wir sollen diese Sachen, diese Teile von denen nicht wegnehmen.
And we've got a couple of little babies over here. Baby monkey there.
Again?
Oh, look.
My best friend!
Holding your hand.
Okay, no more.
He's starting to get a bit aggressive. So in typical wet season fashion, in the monkey forest, it's just raining. Yeah, all good. Just started pouring with rain. But I've got a brolly, so I'm alright. Probably only lasts 5 minutes and it'll be gone. So the old Bali prison, eh? It's where the Bali 9 are held up in there. You wouldn't want to be in there, that's for sure.
Hotel Caravan.
Yeah, that's what it's
Hotel
called.
Caravan.
Free accommodation.
Free accommodation.
Free food.
Free food. Well, after a big day of walking around Bali, there's a couple of essential things you must do. One of them, of course, is to have a few beers. And the other one is one of the numerous many massage places here. So this one here is Zoya, which is just up the road from us, which we've been going to. Zoya Bali Spa. So I'm going to go and duck in here and have a 1 hour full body massage for 12 Australian dollars. Alright, well I'm going to go in and have a nice full body massage. Let's ooge. Alright, another little beach club with Kaylee. As you can see, there's no one here. So we'll go up and have a look at the pool in a minute. So you can perch at these little chairs here, the table and chairs, and it doesn't cost you anything. Or you can come up here and you can have the lounges or the bean bags. Bean bags aren't, they're freebies as well. The lounges are 600,000 rupiah, which is about 60 bucks in Australian, but it's all credit, which goes towards anything you buy for lunch or drink or anything like that. So, you know, if you spend 60 bucks, then they're free. But as you can see, she's a pretty nice little pool. It's a really nice pool. Oh, look at that, and look at the people everywhere, hey? Packed. There's what, 1, 2, 3, 4 people in the swimming pool. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. So Sarah and Kaylee are going to go for a swim. I'm not going for a swim. Couldn't be bothered, I had a swim before. I'm just going to sit down and have a beautiful Heineken. Convenience store here where you can get your chippies and your drinks, beers, and a bit of petrol. Grab some fuel. Don't know if I've ever seen green petrol before, but yeah, premium petrol. Oh, don't know if I'd be putting that in my vehicle, but anyway. all getting their decorations out for their celebration, because tomorrow is their Christmas. So they hang all these decorations up everywhere, and they've got the little boxes for their offerings in them. Put your offerings in there. So we've just rocked up to the airport, hit the old Garuda, and it's chaos. The line is huge. There's people everywhere. Look how many people there are. And we've just found out that they actually cancelled a flight because there wasn't enough people on it apparently, and they've made it all into one. So our flight's full, which is a bit of a bummer for this time of the year. That's what happens, I guess. If the planes aren't full, they fill them up and they cancel flights. All right, we're through.
On our way home.
On our way home into the old duty-free, Bali duty-free. Kaylee's going to go mad. Not. So that was a bit of an ordeal. Shoes, belt, socks, undies. Had to go in nude, frightened everyone away. All good, we're through. And now we just go and have a few gazillion beers to sleep all night on the red-eye flight home. Well, old Mr. Tank, she blew off its pad yesterday. So it was lucky I tied it down. Very lucky. Well, we got the old moo cows in the crush here. Old mate Mr. Harry, the bull over there, is not a happy chappy. I go inside and see how she looks inside. It's still a bit dirty there. I can give that another go. I go, yeah, I better clean inside. I wonder what that looks like. And shock her up. Have a look. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out. Look at the dust. Oh man, look at it. Oh, look at this. What a cracker of a spot. She is a ripper-reader.